Get ready to navigate the rainy season like a pro in Bangkok. I'll share my top tips to make your trip in a splash. At the end of this video, I will share my personal recommendation, which is a must-do, a unique experience on a rainy day in Bangkok. Stick around till the end of the video. Welcome to the vibrant city that never sleeps. What if it rains over here? Hi, I am Marina, and today I will be your guide to explore Bangkok in the best and better way, even during the rainy season. The rainy season in Bangkok runs for 6 months. It lasts from May all the way to October, which is basically half of a year. During these months, you can expect heavy pour, especially during the afternoon and evenings. But don't worry, because the rain often comes and goes. There's still plenty to see and enjoy in this bustling street, even during the rains. Don't let this rainy season stop you. First thing first, what to pack. The waterproof shoes, raincoat, compactable umbrella, and some plastic bags to protect your electronics. If you have already ventured out and have not packed these things, do not worry, my friend. All of these items are available in your 7-Eleven, which is a convenience store available in every 10 steps in Bangkok. I wouldn't be surprised if your apartment or your hotel already has a 7-Eleven downstairs. Also, download a reliable weather app that you can trust and which gives you an accuracy. Transportation tip. Do not make a mistake of calling a Grab. When you see it's already raining and you want to get out, you think Grab? No. The traffic is terrible in Bangkok and it's worse during rainy season. Your best bet is go take a train, MRT or BTS. They are fast, efficient and unaffected by traffic jam. Plus BTS SkyTrain, the name itself suggests it is the train that goes on top of the city. It offers great way to see the city without getting wet. Next up, you're hungry? Do not call food in. No Grab, no Eatigo, no Food Panda, none of that. And because of the same reason, the delivery will be stuck in the rain and most of them won't be available. Your best bet is go to one of the Bangkok malls. Bangkok is famous for its shopping malls. They offer everything from high-end shop to delicious cuisine food court. They are perfect for rainy days. You can spend hours exploring malls like Siam Paragon and Central World and MBK Center. For family-friendly fun, check out SeaWorld Bangkok, Ocean Life, or Madame Tussauds, which is a wax statue museum. These indoor entertainments are great for being entertained as well as keeping dry during those rainy days. Rainy days are also a great opportunity to discover the rich culture of Bangkok. Temples like Wat Pho and Great Palace are less crowded, making for more peaceful visit. Just remember to bring a waterproof bag for your shoes when you are entering these temples. Now let's talk about food and dining specifically. When it's raining, a lot of vendors close down, but not the food market. So they have their tents or shelters and they keep the food market going. Many markets like Rod Fai Market as well as Chatuchak Weekend Market have sheltered area. You can enjoy delicious Thai cuisine while staying dry or semi-dry, shall I say. If you again want to experience more relaxed experience, head to one of the Bangkok cafes. Over there, you can enjoy the rain scene from the rooftop as well as stay dry. Rainy season also means more mosquitoes. If you have already not packed your mosquito repellent, go ahead and pick some from 7-Eleven. And be cautious around flooded area for waterborne diseases. Keep a first aid with yourself always. Now, besides all the fun that will be stopped by rainy days, locals often call rainy day one of the most rejoice and fun days. It's actually their favorite season. It kind of cools down the city as well. There's certain charm about the Bangkok when it's wet. Embrace it and enjoy the unique vibe. For those of you who are new in my channel, I am Marina. I make videos regarding Bangkok, sharing my tips, and relatively new, and as you can see, I'm using this mic. I'm trying to make it work. Please bear with me. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you're first time here. Turn on the bell icon so that you do not miss my future video. I tend to post every Monday. Stay tuned. Now is the moment to talk about my personal favorite and the unique experience during the rainy season. For something different, try canal tour on a covered boat. It is a unique way to see the city and it's a waterway even when it's raining. And then floating market like Demon Sadok and Amphava are also great activities during rainy days. The market atmosphere doesn't dampen with little rain and it is a fun experience. Remember, a little rain shouldn't stop you from enjoying the beauty of Bangkok. After this video, don't forget to check out this video for the next step. Check out the playlist which consists many more informative tips about traveling to Thailand.